Maroon Pod.
Good morning, Mr. Pod.
Today we finish integers and number lines, and we can use number lines to compare, order, add, and subtract numbers, right?
Yes.
All right, integer. An integer is everyone should be looking up here. An integer is a whole number or the
Opposite of a whole number.
So 7, give me the opposite of 7.
-7.
Great. Positive numbers, they're bigger than what?
0.
Negative numbers are smaller than what?
0.
What does this symbol mean?
Less than.
What are these things right here?
Toes.
If this less than symbol got off of its toes, it would make an L, right?
Yes.
This thing would like fall down and make an L, yes?
Yes.
And less than starts with an L, right?
Yes.
That's how we're going to remember it. Got it? Good. Expression. Pretty simple one if we know what are these underlined words called? What do we call them? Pretty simple if you know what gain means. Gain means a positive thing, right?
Yes.
So we write positive 20 or just 20. Loss is a negative thing, right?
Yes.
So we go backwards, so we write negative,
10.
whatever the number is, negative 10. We good with there?
Yes.
What is this again? Keywords.
Word.
Tell us what to do. Number 3, drawing a number line. Okay, so in our class when we draw number lines, here's the deal. We first draw a horizontal line. Say horizontal line.
Horizontal line.
We then put what at the end of each?
Arrows.
Number lines continue in each direction forever, right?
Yes.
We always put what in the middle?
0.
A 0, and what are these little lines called? Tick marks. If I put 4 tick marks to the right, how many tick marks do I need to put to the left?
4.
If I go this way on a number line, am I getting bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
If I go this way on a number line, am I getting bigger or smaller?
Smaller.
If I say graph or plot 4 on the number line, I literally have to put 4 where 4 is, right?
Yes.
3 plus 2. If I put this on a number line, what am I always starting with? No, listen to my question. If I put 3 plus 2 on a number line, I'm always starting with
3.
the first number, right? So I put my 3 here. How do I show adding 2? How do I show adding 2 on my number line? I do 2 bunny hops. If I'm adding, which way do I go? I'm getting bigger, right? And then how do I show that the answer is 5? You draw an arrow, right?
Yes.
Okay, so if I go down to this one, and I have 3 minus 5 equals negative 2, where am I starting?
3.
So I put my dot on the 3, and which way am I going? Minus 5 is which way? How many spots left am I going? 1, 2, 3, 4. How do I know my answer is negative 2? We cool with that? Is it okay to like number every other of my tick marks? Do I know what's between 4 and 6?
Yes.
Even if I don't have a tick mark, do you guys know what's between 0 and 2?
Yes.
What's right there?
1.
Is that okay to do?
Yes.
You just have to keep the pattern. All right, inequalities compare the size or value of 2 things using symbols. What's this symbol mean again?
Less than.
What's this symbol mean?
Greater than.
What's this one mean?
Less than.
And you guys know how to fill these symbols in correctly using less than, greater than, and the same as, right?
Yes.